of class 7C studying in Delhi Public School, Bangalore East, is going to show you how to make mini traffic signal slides. So the components of that are the main Arduino Uno board, USB cable, LED lights, resistance of 220 ohm, breadboard, and male-to-male jumper wires. So now let's start with the connections. So for that you need, first is the red light, so we'll keep this both aside. So in the red light there are two pins, the long pin and the short pin. The long is positive and the short is negative. So first you put it on the breadboard. Remember which is long and which is short. Take the resistance, put it in front of the long pin. So it should be like this. This is over here, this is the long pin, in front the resistance, both the pins. Then you can take two jumper wires and put it in front of the short pin and the long pin. So the long pin should be connected to 13 on the Arduino Uno board. The short pin should be connected to the GND. We are done with the red light. Let us go on with the yellow light. So again there are two long and short pins, positive and negative. Connect it on the breadboard. Take the resistance, put it in front of the long pin. Take two jumper wires, put one on the short, put the other on the long. So this one should be connected to the 9th pin. So here we have the 9th pin. The other should be to the GND. Then take the last LED, which is the green, put it on the odd breadboard, put the resistance front of the long pin, take two jumper wires, put one in front of the resistance and the other beside that, front of the short pin. So the green LED's long pin should be on 3, the short pin on GND. Always the short pin of any LED should be on GND. So now we are done with the connections. Now let's go to the code. In the code, first I am declaring some variables. So the variable's value is the pin on which we kept the LEDs. Then here we are beginning the function with the board 9600 and setting all the pin mode of all the LEDs as output. Then it should print function started. Then we are going in the while loop. In that we are writing first the red light should on, then it should give a delay of 1 second, then again it should off, then the yellow light should on, then delay of 1 second, off. The green light should on, delay of 4 seconds, because we want the traffic to move. So for that we need to increase the delay. So I kept as 4 seconds. Then off, again red light. So this is an infinite loop and it keeps repeating. So now we can connect the USB cable to the laptop or desktop, whatever you have. Now here you can see this upload button. Press it, showing compiling sketch, uploading, done uploading. So first you can go and see in the serial monitor, it will show function started. Now you can check on your LEDs. Look, red, yellow, green, waiting for the traffic to go. Red, yellow, green, again waiting for the traffic to go. So this is an infinite loop, so it keeps continuing. And that's it. Hope you like my video. Give it a thumbs up and also see my before videos which I did. Thank you. Bye bye.